In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Shopify email subscription and newsletter opt-in confirmation. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or you're looking to make the most of your existing Shopify setup, subscribing to a newsletter is a great way to engage with your customers. Plus, by enabling an opt-in confirmation, you ensure that you're building your email list with authentic and interested subscribers, which can vastly improve your marketing success. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and locate the Settings option. Click on Settings, and you'll see a variety of categories that you can delve into. For the purpose of our task, you need to select Checkout. This section houses many of the features that control how your customers make purchases and how they can opt in to your communications. Now, when you are in the checkout settings, scroll down until you find Email Marketing. Here, you will see an option that allows customers to subscribe to your marketing emails, such as newsletters. Make sure this box is checked. By doing this, you're giving customers the chance to sign up for your newsletters right from the checkout page. This small step can bring great results, as interested customers can opt for updates and promotions directly while making a purchase. Next, let's ensure our setup is secure by implementing a double opt-in process. To do this, we need to move back to the Settings menu and click on Notifications. Within this section, you'll find an array of automations you can set up. Look for Customer Email Notifications. Locate Email Marketing Settings, which should include a toggle option for emailing subscribers a confirmation link. Toggle this on, ensuring those who subscribe to your list will receive an additional email asking them to confirm their interest. This step helps verify the authenticity of the email addresses and solidifies your list with engaged subscribers. Finally, if you want to add a personal touch, you can customize the message that goes out in the confirmation email. Under Notifications, there's an Email Templates area. Here, scroll to find the confirmation request template. Feel free to tweak this to match your brand's voice, adding any additional information or branding that might enhance its appeal. And with that, your Shopify store is now equipped with a robust email subscription option and double opt-in confirmation process, keeping your marketing list clean and effective. Remember, having direct access to your customers' inbox is a powerful tool for building lasting relationships and driving repeat business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!